How to disable read receipts on Facebook Messenger. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to disable read receipts on Facebook Messenger app. Without any further delay, let's just begin. Open up Messenger, and then from here you need to basically make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now, if you want to do this for all of the chats, you want to access your main settings. So go over to settings and scroll down until you find privacy and safety. Then from here, you want to scroll down a bit, and under what people see, you can find read receipts. Tap here, and currently my read receipts are turned on. You can basically tap on the toggle to turn it off. People won't be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't also be able to see when they've read your messages as well. If you do this for individual chats, you can go over to the chat, tap on the three dots or the profile info, scroll down, and you can find read receipts over here. If you want to turn it on, just turn on this for this particular chat, but I'll just keep it off, and now you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.